Hi, I'm Diana, and I was sent these Bluapple produce fresheners in return for this video. I was really curious about how they worked. Now, the whole premise is that fruits and vegetables, they actually ripen faster in your refrigerator because of the ethylene gas that comes from them. And so the trick to this is going to absorb that gas so that the fruit doesn't ripen so fast, or the vegetables don't over ripen. Now what you're going to do is put this in the crisper. It's going to last up to 3 months, and you're going to get 2 of these little apples, and then you're going to get 8 of the packets that go inside. You're not going to open these, you're just going to put these inside of there. These are BPA-free apples. So what you're going to do is put one of these packets inside the apple, and you're just going to close it. Don't open the packet. And then put this in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. Think of the amount of money you can save by just having your vegetables and fruits last just a little bit longer in the fridge. And they've actually estimated up to $600 per year in a typical household is wasted on stuff they have to throw away. So I'm all for something like this. So definitely check it out. I think it's definitely worth the price. You're going to save all kinds of money.